lemonade at the straw.
Today we're going to be showing you how to make rhubarb lemonade. Vegan. I'm Max.
I'm Michelle.
And so let's get into the video.
Okay, so this is 250 grams of rhubarb juice. You can cut rhubarb and then you can cook it and then separate the juice from the pulp and make muffins.
Or you can just run it through a juicer and use cold pressed rhubarb juice. They both work very well.
So I'm going to transfer the rhubarb juice into the jar. Next, we're going to add 400 grams of water.
And now we're gonna add the 40 grams of sugar. We blended this in the dry grains container of our Vitamix, but you can also use powdered sugar or simple syrup works really well for this also. Just use the equivalent amount of sweetener. Or if you like it less sweet, just add a little less sweetener. 30 grams works well for it. Or replace it for date molasses or something like that. Make it Whole Foods plant-based.
So now we're going to take a spoon and stir. We're stirring the sugar into the liquid.
Homogenizing all the ingredients together. If using simple syrup, you don't really need to stir it as vigorously, but if you're using regular granulated sugar, you're gonna need to stir it for longer. So it's all done, and we'll see you for a taste test. Okay, we have the rhubarb. It'll last for about a week in the fridge. And so we put it in mason jars because then it's convenient to store and carry. It's good. It balances the savory and the sweet much better than a traditional lemonade does. It's more, almost has savoriness to it, but it would still go great with any other sweet or something you want sweet.
So it has a good body of the lemonade, or rhubarb lemonade, and it has a good sweetness, but also has the tartness to balance out the profile.
And so it's very good, and leave your comments down below what your favorite drink is, or another drinks that you want us to make in the future, or things you want in the future. And check out the video links in the description for lots of other different recipes. I'm Max.
I'm Michelle.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Like it if you like it, because it really does help. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!